Hi guys, I'm Shobro and welcome back to my channel. If you're a YouTuber or if you edit your videos, if you like to edit videos, then you might have heard of the software named Adobe Premiere Pro. No doubt it's the best software to edit videos. It's not only used in editing your YouTube videos only, but it's also used in editing some blockbuster hit movies as well. So basically Premiere Pro is a very professional software which is used to edit videos professionally. And this video is also a tutorial on Premiere Pro editing software. In this video I'll show you how to highlight any object or text in your video. For example, if you are a YouTuber and if you are making a video on any kind of a product, or if you're showing some texts in your video, and if you want your viewers attention towards a particular object or towards a particular text in your video, then you can highlight that part so that your viewers gets attracted to that part of your video. And this task can be done in Premiere Pro very easily. If you want your viewers attraction to any object, any particular object in your video, for example, here I want my viewers attention to this book. So you can highlight this book like this, and like this you can get your viewers attention towards a particular object by highlighting it. Very detailed tutorial on how to highlight any object or text in your video using Premiere Pro editing software. And right now as well, I was editing the tutorial part of this video using Premiere Pro only. I myself edit videos using Premiere Pro, so yeah, I think that Premiere Pro is very nice software to edit your videos, but yeah, it's a little bit difficult to use. But in this video I will show you how to highlight any object or text in your video using Premiere Pro, and I'm pretty sure that Premiere Pro will become easier to you after watching this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing which we are going to see is that how to basically highlight one object in a picture or video. First of all, I'll open Premiere Pro and I've opened a new project. I will import one picture. You can also import videos as well. So I have this picture. I'll just click on the open option and I'll just drag it to this timeline in the sequence. So you have to do this first of all, then your picture will appear here. So here I will highlight only this portion. This is where it is in Canon. So first of all, what you do is select this one and then press the Alt button, or if you are using a PC, or else if you're using a Mac, then press the Option button in your keyboard and then drag this. After all you have dragged this, make sure that this sequence which is in the below, its opacity is a little bit down. For example, in my case I'll keep it 36%. Next, click on the sequence about this one and then go to the effects option, which is here. After you click on that, this kind of a window opens and you have to search for crop, and you'll get this option of crop. What you do is just drag and drop it to the sequence above. So now it's being applied. So on the left hand side in the effects control panel, you will see here one crop option. So adjust the left, top, right and bottom. First of all, I'll adjust the top one. Just like this. So you can see that that portion is only being highlighted. Going to the below sequence, here I will make this opacity a little bit high, and that is it. Okay, a little bit less, I think. So now you can see that only that portion is being highlighted, and the viewers attraction will be that on that highlighted portion. But the thing is that we want it to get some kind of animated. So select the below, that is the sequence below, and right click on it, and go to show clip frames and see that the opacity keyframe is right there. Okay, so now we have to add some keyframes on opacity. Add one keyframe here, another keyframe, basically another keyframe here, and at last one keyframe here and another keyframe here. Here I will make it 100%, at the last keyframe as well it would be 100%, but at the middle I will make it like right like this, and here also I'll make it like this. So now see, it blurs in and blurs out. Okay, the first I have to give a keyframe and make it 100. See, it blurs out, and then going after it blurs out. So like this, you can highlight any object and give it some kind of animation. So this is the part. Now we will learn how to basically highlight text. Okay, so here you can see that I have imported the image in which some texts are written. So the thing you have to do is, again, is just select that layer, press Alt or Option in your keyboard and drag it to duplicate the layers. Select the below layer and turn down the opacity to 0. Now select the upper layer, go to Effects, and search for Crop, and drag and drop it to the upper layer. Now on the left hand side you'll get the crop, and then you have to crop it from here to the text you wanna basically highlight. So from top I want to highlight this one, and let's adjust the right side and then the bottom, just like this, and it's done. So you can see it's being cropped. Now search for tint. Now you can select your second let us see layer below it, and you can turn the opacity to 100, no problem in that. Again, select the upper layer and then search for tint in the effects panel and drag and drop this tint to your first layer or your upper layer. You can see now on the left hand side in the effects control panel you will see the tint, and click on the map white to option and select a color which you want to give. For example, blue. Here I'll give blue and just click on the OK option. See, now that's is highlighted, but we wanna get it some animation. So search for linear wipe here. Here get the linear wipe, drag and drop it to the about layer, and in the left hand side in the effects control panel you get the linear wipe. Just you have to add a keyframe and get the first keyframe to 100, and the last keyframe, for example here I will get the last keyframe to 0. Now see, it's being animated, and there is a kind of a linear wipe just like this, just like this. Now if you want to change the direction of this linear wipe, then here in the wipe angle get it to 90 degree or else minus 90 degree, press enter, and the direction of the wipe will change. Let's go to the editing panel, and here let's observe it carefully. See, it's doing the animation just like that. So this is how we can basically highlight texts and objects in our images or videos. So this was the video. That was how you can highlight any object or else any text in your video using Premiere Pro editing software. I hope you like this video, and if you are having any doubts in this video, then the comment section is open for you. Just comment down below and I will reply to your comment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share this video, and if you like my content, then please consider subscribing to this channel. It motivates me to make videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.